Chapter 3: Continents and Oceans. You will learn land masses, continents, huge and salty water bodies, oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, and lakes. Let's begin. Hello, uncle. Are you from our country? No, children. I am from England. My name is Harry. What are you doing in India, Harry uncle? I have come to visit India and meet the people of this country. Your country is very beautiful. You children are also lovely. Thank you, uncle. Enjoy your visit. Teacher's note. Start the chapter by showing the world map. Discuss that the earth's surface is covered with water and land. Look at the world map given alongside. You will notice that some areas on it are blue in color and some are brown. The blue area on the earth means that it is covered with water. Water is present in the form of oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds on the earth. The brown areas on the earth show the land masses. These land masses form continents. Continents. A very large landmass on the earth is called a continent. There are 7 continents on the earth. These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. The largest continent is Asia and the smallest is Australia. These continents are further divided into countries. Countries are subdivided into cities, towns, and villages. India is a part of the continent Asia. Fact frame. The names of all the 7 continents of the world start and end with the same alphabet. Oceans. Oceans are the largest water bodies on Earth. The average depth of the world's ocean is 12,100 feet. The water of oceans and seas is salty. There are 5 oceans on the Earth. These are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, surrounds the continent Antarctica, and the Arctic Ocean. The largest is the Pacific Ocean and the smallest is the Arctic Ocean. The bottom of the ocean is called the ocean floor. It is dark as the sunlight does not reach there. Just like the land, the ocean floor has big mountains, volcanoes, deep trenches, plants, and animals. Fact frame. The deepest known area of the oceans is called the Challenger Deep and is located beneath the western Pacific Ocean in the southern end of the Mariana Trench, which is approximately 11 kilometers deep. Sea. Seas are also large water bodies but are smaller than the oceans. Some of the important seas are the Red Sea, the China Sea, the Arabia Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. Rivers. The large water bodies with flowing water are called rivers. The high mountains like Himalayas are covered with snow. When snow melts due to heat of the sun, it comes down to the plains as rivers. Some rivers of India are the Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Satluj, and many others. Pond and lake. A pond is a small water body. It mostly fills with rainwater and dries during summers. Lake is a large area of water surrounded by land. India has many lakes. Some of these are Chilka Lake, Vular Lake, Dal Lake, Sambar Lake, etc. Recall. A continent is a huge landmass on the earth. There are 7 continents on the earth. These continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. An ocean is the largest water body containing salty water. There are 5 oceans. These are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean.